Hello and welcome to Board 1. Today we are introducing the BZW-9D ultrasonic terminal welding machine, designed for reliable cable-to-terminal connections. The industrial PC-based HMI enables integration with factory MES systems. Welding recipes can be stored and switched easily, making production smarter and more flexible. It is equipped with imported ultrasonic components, ensuring consistent quality and long-term reliability. Built with electrical and pneumatic parts from leading brands such as SMC and FESTO, the machine delivers stability in demanding production environments. It supports the welding of copper and aluminum wires to terminals of different thicknesses. The machine produces joints that are strong and secure, with no gaps or voids, reducing heat generation and enhancing product safety. The BZW-9D supports welding ranges up to 120 square millimeters and accommodates terminals from 1 to 5 millimeters thick. It operates at 20 kHz with a maximum power of up to 12 kilowatts.